Have you ever wondered what makes a queen bee live longer, stronger, and more radiant than the rest of the hive? The secret lies in one incredible gift from nature, royal jelly. And JAFRA has captured this legendary ingredient in our royal jelly special edition, an exclusive formula that delivers luxury and results. The jewel of the hive. Did you know that since 1970, JAFRA has celebrated the perfect harmony of science and nature with a special edition of our iconic JAFRA Royal Jelly Milk Balm? In 2025, we unveiled a masterpiece that not only hydrates the skin, but also elevates the spirit. This year's bottle encapsulates the magnificent royal jelly in a gorgeous design. You can see it here. It is inspired by purity and priceless values of this bee elixir. We've created a bottle resembling a brilliant gem, shimmering with the glow of gold honey and a surface that hints at the organized structure of the honeycomb. Every design element, from its elegant shape to the texture, has been carefully crafted to convey the exclusivity and delicacy of our JAFRA Royal Jelly original formula that you know and love. So share the luxury and legacy with everyone who values quality, tradition, and innovation in skincare. With every application, you're giving your skin the same gift reserved for queens: hydration, renewal, and radiance. The JAFRA Royal Jelly Special Edition is more than a product. It's immediate hydration in a bottle. And you might be asking yourself, why do I need it? This exquisite and luxurious moisturizing formulation helps your skin look and feel younger. And how does this happen? With our secret ingredient, royal jelly. It is a complex mixture of amino acids, proteins, and B complex vitamins that helps nourish and hydrates the skin. If royal jelly has the power to transform an ordinary queen into a bee queen, the benefits for your skin will surely result in beautiful, youthful glow. And your skin will shine with immediate hydration that is clinically proven once the product is fully absorbed. So this treasure isn't meant to be stored away. It's meant to be shared. JAFRA's Royal Jelly has been around for generations, delivering visible results and confidence built over decades. If you love what we shared today, don't miss the opportunity to get this exclusive limited edition Royal Jelly and treat yourself to luxury of immediate hydration fit for a queen. And remember, this is not just skincare. It's a celebration of beauty, elegance, and timeless legacy.